Hi, cutie. Show me what you did before. Do this. Do this. Look. It's a green face girl. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Where's green face girl? Where is she going? She's crazy. She's like a superhero. In Reading, Pennsylvania. Nowhere is this humble legume a bigger star than at Jimmy Kramer's Peanut Bar. We've been coming to the Peanut Bar forever. This is the place to come. It's our favorite place. Best place to come, Reading. I have people from out of town visiting. I'm very here. We go through a lot of peanuts here in Reading. Located an hour west of Philadelphia, Reading is perhaps best known for a spot on the Monopoly game board. The now defunct Reading Railroad, which was named after the city in 1924. 9 years later, Jimmy Kramer opened his bar on 332 Penn Street. My father bought the building in 1933. He opened the bar.
Who is that?
Which consisted of food as well. It was called Jimmy Kramer's Old Central Cafe. Reading is also known as the Pretzel City for its numerous pretzel bakeries. And Jimmy Kramer's
Eat the whole thing already?
pretzel bar had they not run out of pretzels one night in 1935. The way we paid for the peanuts is a delivery man came to my father one day and he said, Jimmy, I hate to tell you, but I don't have any pretzels for you.
Hi.
Across the street. And Jimmy needed to give something to the customers, so he sent somebody across the street to get like a 50-pound bag of peanuts.
That's the cap for the video camera you've got there.
Said, attention, wanted people to eat free peanuts applied to the bartender at the peanut bar. And that was how it all began.
Free peanuts were a big draw.
Now you're chewing on the lens cap.
The peanut bar in 1958. But
Hey.
perhaps an even bigger
Hi,
draw was that
Maddie.
patrons were encouraged to toss the shells onto the floor. A tradition that has been adopted by bars and restaurants across the country.
You get a bowl of peanuts when you first arrive. Before you get anything, and you get to throw them on the floor. This is our third bowl. We got the pliers on the floor.
Hey, green plastic face. Ah. Hi, crazy. Here.
Usually, they eat them and then throw the shells in the store. Pure and peanuts is absolutely the perfect combination.
Come here. Take this. Take this. Do this.
That I'm allergic to peanuts.
Hey, come here, pig face girl. Look up. Oh, you'd rather have that?
They come for a cold pint or just some free peanuts. After 7 decades, the people of
Softer on your face. Okay, well.